Here is a financial crime so normalized that nobody calls it a crime. Your traditional bank is paying you 0.01% interest on your savings account while inflation runs at 3 to 4% annually. That means every single year, the purchasing power of your money decreases by 3.5%. You are not saving money, you are losing it slowly while your bank profits from the spread. The solution has existed for years, and traditional banks hope you never find it: high-yield savings accounts. Online financial institutions pay 4 to 5% interest annually on the exact same federally insured deposits. On a $10,000 emergency fund, a traditional bank pays you $10 per year. A high-yield savings account pays you $500 per year for doing absolutely nothing beyond opening the account. The setup requires 30 minutes. You link your existing checking account, establish an automated monthly transfer on payday, and your money begins compounding at a rate that beats inflation. The banks rely on your inertia. They know that once you open an account at 18, you rarely switch it. They leverage that inertia to pay you a fraction of what your capital is worth. The moment you understand that bank profitability relies on consumer confusion, you stop being their most profitable customer. Open a high-yield savings account this week, label it emergency reserve, and let your money work for you 24 hours a day.